Okay, there's some more problems from section 6.1, and these are the slope fields, and we have to fill in these little points. So the first one is dy dx equals x. So this would be pretty easy because my slopes would be just whatever x is. So here x is -1, so my slope would be -1, -1, -1, -1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that'd be easy. So when x is -1, my slope is -1. So that's going to be the diagonal now. I could use a ruler, but let's just do one anyway with the ruler here. And then they're all going to be the same, I hope, along this line. So try to make them all parallel. Okay. And then when x is 0, they're all going to be 0, so that'll be easy. And when x is 1, they're all going to be 1. So I'll start with 1 here like this. So I get a nice 1. Try to make them all parallel. And that would be pretty acceptable. Okay. And number 30. Let's see what number 30 was. That was dy dx. dy dx equals y. Okay, well that's nice. Y. So that's going to be whatever y is. So here my slope is -1, 0, 1, 2, -1, 0, 1, 2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So when y is -1, the slopes are always -1. All right, so right over here, the slopes are all going to be -1 when y is -1. So I'll just try to do them like this. So I can make them parallel here. Okay. And then y is 0, they're all going to be 0. Okay, so when y is 0, they're all going to be 0. Okay, and then when y is 1, they're all going to be 1. So that'd be easy. Draw them in here. And then when y is 2, they're all going to be 2. All right, so I don't have any points up here, so I got to make them a little steeper. Well, what I could make them look like that, so they would be parallel to this line. So they got to be a little steeper. Well, actually, I could do this. I could go down here and make a slope of 2 here, and that would work. There we go. Yeah, I think that's going to work quite nicely because that goes up 2 over 1. There we go. And then I can make them parallel to that. Okay. And one more. Try to make them all parallel. Nice. And when we're doing these, we just want to make sure that this is steeper than this. So here's your slope of 1, and here's your 2. Something like that, okay? So there's 30, all right? So those are pretty easy. A lot of them are the same, so you like those. Try to make sure we can see the 0 slopes. Okay. So that's 29 and 30. Hope those help.